Hey guys, I'm Nobonita. Welcome to my channel Foodie Pad. Imagine a bucket of glistening chicken goodness with a coating so full of crunchy ripples that you're reaching out for napkins more than the usual. You can already vibe the dish, right? I'm so excited to present to you crispy fried chicken in my way. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Hot, crunchy, shatteringly crisp crust fried to golden brown perfection that reveals juicy and spicy chicken is as flavorful as that irresistible crust. As you dig in, you experience an explosion of spices, making it all the more extra special. Slashing the chicken to the bone increases its surface area so that the marinade can penetrate the meat. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. The marinade will tenderize the chicken. Rub and massage the chicken in the marinade sauce very well. Continuously flip the pieces. Sprinkle flour in between the skin. Don't press the flour hard on the chicken pieces. Take 1.5 minutes to coat each piece in flour thoroughly. Sieve the flour in between the breading process after every 3 to 4 pieces, depending on their size, to get rid of the unwanted crumbs. Ensure that the water is cold. Cold water makes the crust crunchy. For the first step of coating, immerse the pieces in cold water for 4 to 6 seconds and let the water drip from the chicken for another few seconds. Roll in flour until an even layer of coating is formed. If deep frying is not an option for you, use an air fryer or bake them in the oven at 390 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes till cooked completely. For the second step, repeat the breading process. If the crust gets sticky, then coat lightly in flour. Maintain medium heat while frying. You will need to regulate the temperature by adjusting the heat as you fry. Leave enough space between pieces to allow them to cook and brown more evenly. Don't overcrowd the pan as the oil temperature drops once the pieces are added. Use tongs to rotate the pieces after every 3 to 4 minutes. If you like the video, please press the like button. And guys, like, share and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow. Thank you. Please press the bell icon to get a notification every time I upload a video. Bye guys, take care.